MXGP of Saint-Jean-d'Angély in France with Kuzo, the guy behind the goggles. So right. Can you tell us what you do really in a weekend and in a year? Because I know you are in the US and you are everywhere. Do you go to every races?
I basically am almost at a race every weekend. In the States, week in, week out, all through Supercross, all through the Nationals. If we have a week off there, I'll come here, which basically keeps me at a race every weekend. In the States, I'll build the goggles week to week, so I'll take 60 to 75 pair depending on Supercross, outdoors, East Coast, West Coast, outdoors all combined. Give them all clean, get them all back dirty, basically bring them back to brand new the next week. Here it's a little bit more of a, I would say, prep, because like this week, for example, I basically built almost 300 pair. So I have 10 guys, 8 get full service, so they get 6 pair per weekend, times 8, do the math, you know what I mean? So with that, with film systems, it really adds up, but they get 3 pair for practice, 3 pair for race, 14 tear-offs for practice, 28 for race, and then basically depending on, like today, last night I was up pretty late getting everything fine-tuned for the mud, and luckily the sun came out today and got sunglasses on and we're all good. So
on a weekend like this one, which rider throws the most goggles away?
Actually, well, the way I work it here is I'll bring all the goggles I brought for 5 rounds, and then for the last, since I saw them, they'll bring me all those back dirty. So I basically brought almost 300 pair clean, and I'm going back with almost 300 pair dirty. So I kind of keep 2 stocks of stuff for the GP series, because I'm got 1 set clean, 1 set dirty, and then in the US I'll keep that separate, which the guys use different frames, some guys use different foams, special stuff, so I have a method, I guess, for my madness, so per se.
Do you give them advice for roll-offs or cheer-offs, or they do whatever they want?
With some guys, yes. I think some guys value my opinion on what would be best. Other guys, I think they already have their mind made up. Like, for example, Marv will discuss what to do, Paul Lynn the same way. Dylan Fernandez, there's no chance he's running a film system. It don't matter what it is. So it's just take it on with each guy, but make sure that they have the best setup, I think, possible for the situation or the race at be. So.
Okay, thank you, Kuzo, and good luck for the traveling.
Thank you. I'm on back to Paris tonight, 4 hours, then back to America Monday, then off to Pennsylvania for High Point this weekend.
Okay, have a nice flight.
Thanks.